Break down. Stop working, cry. My car broke down on the highway. Break up. End a relationship. They broke up after 2 years. Break out. Escape. Occur suddenly. A fire broke out in the building. Break in. Enter illegally. Interrupt. Someone broke in and stole the laptop. Break through. Make a discovery. Scientists broke through with a new cure. Break off. Detach. End abruptly. She broke off the engagement. Break away. Escape. Become independent. He broke away from bad habits. Break into. Force entry. Thieves broke into the store. Break even. Make no profit or loss. The company barely broke even last year. Break apart. Fall to pieces. The old bridge broke apart in the storm. Make up. Invent. Reconcile. They made up after the argument. Make out. Understand. See with difficulty. I can barely make out the writing. Make up for. Compensate. I'll make up for the lost time. Make off. Run away. The robbers made off with the cash. Make do. Manage with what you have. We'll have to make do with less. Make for. Move toward. Let's make for the exit. Give up. Stop trying or quit. Never give up on your dreams. Give out. Distribute or stop working. Teachers gave out the exam papers. Give in. Surrender or yield. After hours of arguing, he gave in. Give away. Give for free or reveal. She gave away her old clothes. Give back. Return something. Give back the money you borrowed. Give off. Emit a smell or gas. The flowers give off a sweet smell. Give over. Devote to or stop doing. Give over complaining. Give rise to. Cause something. His speech gave rise to controversy.